Hello guys, today we're going to show you how to make a kill brick. So what we're going to do is make sure you're at home, then go to this section and click on this. Once you have clicked it, you should see a part on your workspace. Now what we're going to do, well, you don't need to change the color. You can change it to whatever you want, but I'm going to make it red for me. And also, you don't need to do the material or anything, because I only like this, but you can change it to whatever you want. I don't care what you do with it, but make sure it is anchored so it can't go anywhere. Okay. Now, once you're done with that, out of here, then click on the rename, and then call this kill brick. There you go. Now click on this plus sign on the kill brick, then insert a script, then call the script kill on touch. Now let's get to the scripting. Local main parent is equal to script.parent. Okay, now main parent dot touched go on connect, and then function, and then make sure this little parenthesis is out, and it looks like this. Now add in the hit. It will be important later. Now once you have all this, now search for local humanoid is equal to hit dot parent go on find first child humanoid. Now, well, I don't think we should put find because we have to make sure that the humanoid is loaded first. So wait for child means it's going to be waiting for a split second to make sure that it's been loaded. Now, if humanoid, then humanoid dot health is equal to 0. Now, what this does is it's going to kill you on touch. So let's try that. There you go. We just made a simple working kill brick. Wait. What? We want to change the script or something to like a local function? Go ahead. But if you want me to make it now, well, let's go make it. Local function on touch kill. Now add a hit. Then that, do that. Then now, but if we try it like this, it will not work. Why is that? Well, it doesn't have a function to touch, like on touch. We need to make the function to make this function work first. So down here, main parent dot touched go on connect, and then instead of function do on touch kill. Make sure it looks like this. Now when we try it, it should kill us. There you go. Now we just made 2 working functions. There you go, guys. Have fun with your kill brick.